Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Mathri is one of the recipes that is synonymous to the festive season. But honestly, I don't think you need a reason to make it. So let's see the recipe for Mathri. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Let's get cooking. So the first step, let's make the dough. I have 1 cup of wheat flour. Ideally, it's made with only all-purpose flour, but I prefer mixing the two. I also have 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let's combine everything together and try and mix the ghee in such a way that you get like a breadcrumb consistency. So just rub the ghee with the flour. Now I'm going to add some water. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up and now let's start rolling this. Take the dough, knead it once again. Let's apply some ghee over the rolling pin and the board. Roll the entire portion of the dough. Let's apply some thick ghee over this and sprinkle some plain flour. Make sure you dust it properly. Dab it lightly so that it sticks to the ghee. Make a roll. Let's cut this into small slices, around ½ inch thick. Let's flatten these. Let's start rolling them. Let's fold it into half, making a semicircle, and another half, making a triangle. Just pinch the edge, not the entire Mathri, so that it just sticks on the edge. And this is how it looks. You can slightly roll it, just in case if it's too thick. Prick the Mathris slightly, so that they don't puff up on both the sides. Let's keep this aside. In this way, let's roll all the remaining Mathris. A few of them are ready, so let's add them in the oil. I've kept some oil to heat over here. Fry them on medium-low heat. Let's flip them over. They need to open up slightly like this so that it fries all the way through and the middle layers should not stay raw. These are done. Let's get them out. Make sure you drain out all the oil. These mathris are ready and can be enjoyed with tea, coffee or any time of the day. They can be stored in an airtight container for 8 to 10 days. So do try this at home. Don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.